So today we're going to be taking a look at this screen. I'm going to be throwing it into this Game Boy. We're going to see what quality we got off of eBay on this used replacement screen for this DS console, because I'm putting it in a new case, and there's a full video on this, by the way. You probably see this video before the full video, but I need it. Ooh, it's extremely boxed, extremely good. Look at this. Very good packaging. eBay seller did good. Now if it ain't scratched up really bad, what it was, I bought this cheap aftermarket Pokemon case for this DS Lite, went to replace it, and the screen cover was scratched all to, it was just, I was no way going to use it. And the original screen has that white, you know, kind of cover, because this was a silver DS Lite, has a silver. We wanted a, you know, that black color to it. So this screen's supposed to be tested and looked over, so you know, we might have to solder some speakers to it. Nope, it's got the speakers. Wonder if they're good. Anyway. Oh, that screen ain't scratched up a bit. Look. And it's got the black cover already on it, so we don't have to worry about, you know, putting a new cover on this. But that cover that was sent with that kit was just somehow got scratched up. It was missing the film on it. It was not usable. So I'm going to throw this in and show you the finished product, because you might be wanting to do this yourself. And then just check my channel out, you know, for the video on this. This is the old case. You can see silver. Good to hold on to these too. Very good. This is the finished product. Brand new case. It works. All the buttons work. I cleaned it up a little. I'm going to clean it up. You know, it's got smudges on it. A lot better here once the video's over. But didn't come with a battery bolt, so I had to make one. All in all, I'm happy with it. Button quality feels the same. I don't know how it would hold up with a lot of playtime, but this is mostly going to be display. You know, for me, because I got Game Boy Advance SP, and I got other DS systems to play DS games. So if you're new, get subscribed. If you enjoyed this video and have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Not bad for a $30 case, but it was a pain. Let me tell you, just assemble it the same way it come apart. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.